What's up? What's up? What's up, my mind, your money business folks? It's me yet again with another video on today's stock market. November 27th? Yeah, stock slipped the day before Thanksgiving. So let's see what's going on in the market. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. It's morning here, my time. So it says stocks fell in light trading on Wednesday as investors took some risk off the table following big November gains. The S&P 500 shed 0.38% to 5,998.74 points, snapping a 7-day winning streak. The Nasdaq Composite lost 0.6% to end at 19,060.48. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 138.25 points, or 0.31%, to finish at 44,722.06, reversing course after trading up more than 140 points at session highs. Traders appear to take profits on big technology names that have largely performed well this year, which can explain Nasdaq underperformance. Nvidia, which has surged more than 173% in 2024 alone, right? Lost more than 1% in the session. Meta platform slid 0.8% despite rallying around 60% this year. Yeah, people took profits. You know, just because the stock market was down today, these stock names that they're mentioning, like Nvidia, Meta, they're not doing bad as a company. Nvidia is doing great. Meta's doing great. They're projected to do even greater. So, like the article stated, this is the first time I've ever read them talking about, that I can remember them talking about the price and the market being down because people took profits. When it normally happens, it's because of other reasons. So which is it? I don't know. So let me keep reading the article. I was trying to make a point and I got lost. But either way, elsewhere in tech, Dell and HP dropped more than 12% and 11% respectively after providing weak earnings guidance. Now, Dell and HP failed for providing weak earnings guidance. Nvidia exceeded expectations when it gave its earnings report, and the stock still fell. Anyway, those moves followed the latest reading of the Personal Consumption Expenditure Price Index, or PCE, released Wednesday morning, right? This came out today. The Federal Reserve favored inflation rose 0.2% in October and 2.3% on an annual basis, in line with expectations from economists polled by Dow Jones. So it's in line, right? Excluding food and energy, the so-called core measure increased 0.3% month over month and 2.8% compared with a year ago, also matching consensus forecasts. So it matched it. So yeah, either way, today's data shouldn't change views of the likely path of disinflation, however bumpy, said David Alcali, lead macroeconomist strategist at Lazard Asset Management. Ooh, that was a lot. Having my morning coffee, still trying to wake up. Well, I've been up since like 4 or 5, but I was laying in bed still on the phone. Either way, but a lot of observers, probably including some at the Fed, are looking for reasons to get more hawkish on the outlook, given the potential for inflationary policy change like new tariffs. It is a shortened trading week in the U.S., with the market dark for Thanksgiving holiday on Thursday and set to close early Friday. Trading volume on the New York Stock Exchange was about fifth lower than a typical day. Still, it has been a notable week as the Dow and the S&P 500 rose to all-time highs. The Dow is now tracking to end the week around 1% higher, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite are up about 0.5% and 0.3% respectively on the week. November trading, which has been defined as a post-election rally on the back of President-elect Donald Trump's victory, also concludes this week. The Dow has climbed more than 7% in November, on track for its biggest monthly gain of 2024. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq have each jumped more than 5%. So, the market didn't do so well today. Like they said, investors took profit. Big money investors took profits because there's been a lot of gains happening, people. A lot of money is being pumped in the stock market. The stock market is for the rich. You can create riches here. For me, in my mindset, it's not a get-rich-quick type situation. It's a slow and steady situation to where you just invest dollar cost average into the stock market every month, and you can become rich if you do it properly. Now, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not pretending to be one. Any information in these videos and on this channel is for entertainment purposes only and expresses my opinions. So please consult with a financial advisor before you invest any of your money, or do your own research like I do before you invest into the stock market. Diversification is key, right? But I've made a lot of money this year in the stock market. What I've learned by being in the market for a few years, you're going to have your ups and your downs. But when you're invested into good growth stocks, you will make money. You can be paid dividends monthly, quarterly for owning certain stocks. There's so many ways to make money in the stock market. You can become a day trader, placing bets, options, puts, making money that way on the decline of a particular stock or the incline. It just depends on how you set up your bets and your options. So, I'm going to continue to invest in the stock market because I've seen nothing but gains. I don't take today. Today I was in the red. I lost money today. Tomorrow or Friday, when it opens up for half a day or however long the market's going to be open, I could make a lot of money. That's just how it is. It's the yin and the yang of it all. But yeah, that's all I have to talk about today. Stock slipped day before Thanksgiving. So hopefully you guys have a great Thanksgiving. Tomorrow in the mainland, it's today here where I'm located. I got invited out, which I will more than likely, I'm going. All right, so you guys take care. Peace. Oh, and I do plan to post another video shortly after this one. So all right, you guys take care. Peace. Oh, like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Let me know what you think. If you think anything at all, think, people. Start thinking. Peace.